First things first, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. While your oven is getting ready, let's get your ingredients prepared. Grab a large bowl, and into this bowl, you'll combine 1 box of Angel Food Cake mix. Now, this is about 16 ounces of mix. To this, add a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple. Don't drain it. The juice from the pineapple will interact with the cake mix, making it fluffy and airy. Stir these 2 ingredients together until the batter is evenly mixed. Once the batter is ready, pour it into an ungreased 9 by 13-inch baking pan. Now it's time for the oven. Bake your concoction in your preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know it's done when the top is a golden brown, and a toothpick inserted into the cake comes out clean. After baking, it's crucial to let the cake cool completely in the pan. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.